Hello everyone, welcome back with Libreoffice Writer basic tutorials how to delete space. As example, I have this paragraph and we have this all space in every single word. And if you want to erase this all space, you can use pen tools. You can type Ctrl F to open pen tools, and in here in pen you can press space once and you can click pen all, so to be automatically search for this space on this paragraph. You can click at these icons and you can replace with none, and you can click replace all, so it will be automatically delete space. The other options, if you want only delete two space, I will undo in here. And for example, I will create two space at this point, also in here. The next at this point, and the last at this point. So you can click in here, two space, 1, 2, and you can click find all. So we have these two space, and you can click these icons. And now I will change into none, replace, and you can click replace all. So it will be delete to space on this paragraph. Okay, that's it. How to delete space in LibreOffice Writer software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.